Hi, this is Magisha Kamara Soundarya from Sri Ganapati Vilas Government Aided Primary School, Manarkudi. I am gonna talk about types of AI. The first one is narrow AI, also known as weak AI, work for a specific task only. Example, voice assistant, facial recognition systems. It can't think by and is programmed. The second one is general AI, also known as strong AI, can think, learn and perform any task like a human. Still under research, it does not excited. The third one is super AI, a future concept where machines become smarter than humans. It could make decisions better and faster than people. This level of AI is still theoretical. The advantages of AI work faster and more accurately than humans. Reduce human errors. The drawbacks of AI, very expensive to create and maintain, can replace human workers and cause unemployment. Conclusion, AI is one of the most powerful technologies of the modern world. It has the potential to transform every field, from education to healthcare and industry. Thank you.